Hello everyone, it's ImmaBee here and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a decluttering video of my apartment. I would just have to start on our bedroom because as you can see, it's just that messy. Today I have time to work at home because I have finally 4 days off, day off. And when I have my day off, that's the time I usually have to clean the house and spend time doing household chores. And here we go. Let's start. We can do this. So we can do this. You know, I love turtles. That's why Marcel bought this for me. So let's do the bed cover. That's the first thing done. And we'll have to tackle the upper side of the cabinet because as you can see above there are so many clutter and that keeps disturbing me. And now we will tackle the inside of the cabinet. As you can see, the inside is just that so messy. That's why I want to tackle this. This is Marcel's side of the wardrobe. So we'll start on the jeans. We'll just have to separate it from the short jeans to long jeans for winter, and separate it also according to the color. So as you can see, I just tackled this part of the wardrobe. That's Marcel's jeans, and I separated the short ones to the long jeans from the long jeans, and these are some parts of his polo shirts, but he doesn't use at the moment because it's winter time. So let's continue to the upper side. As you can see, we're done with the first part. I just classified it with function, according to function. Here are jackets and polo shirts to functionality and color. So these are the jeans down there, separated them from short jeans to long jeans. So here we go. We're done with that part. We will continue to this part right here. Now that's my part here of the wardrobe. As you can see, there's too much space because I don't have enough clothes now. just too small. That short girl problems. So what I'm doing now, guys, is folding my own clothes. So we're actually done after doing this part, and I'm so excited about the result. I love organizing. When I have my free time, I usually think of something that can kill boredom, just like doing that. Doing household chores at home and everything. There's always something to do at home. You always find something to work on too. So I will show you the results and the changes. So that's what we tackled, Marcel's area and my area. So these are my sweaters and pullovers and my t-shirts there, and some of my jackets. The rest of my jackets are in another cabinet in the other room, in the guest room. So we're actually done, and these are my summer clothes and everything, pajamas and all that in my bags. So that's basically it. Done. Watching, guys. I hope you had fun organizing with me, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you. Until my next vlog.